So I'm going to start the smoker. Get it going out here, and I might bring the extra fuel for the smoker. What I use is the dried up needles of the white pine that's on the driveway, and when it's casts its needles. Easy to say, not really. Anyways, I put them into this tote and save them, and this is like going on year 3 that these are being saved. So you just want to shove them right in there. And then I'm going to get the torch. I don't think there's any left. Hold on. Well, there we go. I just forgot how to use it, apparently. And so I'm trying to get the flame to get up in there. And give it a few puffs. Get it good and get the fuel going, you see? Ah! Always gets my fingers. I want it good. Give it a few more puffs of air. Always put more in. And sometimes it doesn't stay lit. And then I'll just do it again. That's my first time this year, so I'm giving myself some All right. We'll see if this stays lit. I have no hope of it out holding. I'll do it when I'm out there. It's trying to go. I think I'll just take this with me. You know. Okay. Let's do this. Were they out?
Stop now. So it's pure.
It's good. I don't even think these guys didn't even make it up to their food. Oh, it's so heavy. Lift that.
Yeah, she got some weight.
Okay, well, let's take it off. Like, just put it there or put it here. Hold on. Get the shim off. Put it in here. Just sit it on there. Because we can make splits. Yeah. That is heavy. It's full of honey. No, I don't know. That spring must have got them. The cold weather. Okay, let's get this off. Clean it out. This one, lean it up against that one, and I'll clean this off. And this is all the dead bees. How it looks like they just absconded. Because there's really nothing left in the hive. There's just tons of honey. So we'll leave that there. And we'll see what's in these two. And then I don't know what to do, you know? Ugh, ants. And they didn't get in. Well, the ants got in. But they didn't get their food either. Honey Super's got some in it. Gonna see if you can lift that. Hold on.
No weight.
Okay, here.
Hold your arms.
Yeah, there. That's interesting. We'll just pull that one back because I don't want that to get broken. Oh, weird. Well, if we can, we'll try and make splits and, you know, we'll just get this area prepared. This is the one that stung us. And they were alive and then they're not. Where's that shim? Oh, you got it. Oh, there's a bee. Bet you it's a robber. Because I don't think anybody's in here. I would be shocked if they were. No. Oh, this one just died. Look at them all. This bottom board has seen the worst. I don't think we have any more. Do we? Yeah, but I think we used them. Well, we'll take this one back to the house. Yeah. All right. So put this one here. We can move that out of the way. Well, yeah. So, I need the smoker now. Was there? Yeah, there's bees in this one. So I'm smoking them to calm them down. All right. Ready? Got your dig thing? All right. I'm just gonna throw that over there. Just goes to show you can feed them and everything and they don't make it. Okay. Let's start here and see what's going on. That's gonna fall apart. Okay, they're just making that. This is honey. That's honey. That's honey. The sealed stuff is honey. That's honey. That's got brood. Okay, so just put that here. Yeah. Because I want to see where their brood is. That's brood. No, that's pollen. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna put this back. Now you have to be careful when you're doing this, because they have to go back in the order that they came out. Okay. Okay. Okay, so this is a good one. What we'll do is put this here for now. Take this off. Ah, come on.
Big box.
Oh. Okay, put it down on there. Let's- The outside, you can push them over, and then this one goes in beside it, right between those ones. Okay, make room, push them in. I'm just gonna put it back and put the lid on here. Can you put this in? It's in there, good. Okay, what's in here? Yeah.
So,
Yeah. If you want to get it out. Okay, let's do the other side. What's in there? Nothing. Okay.
that one.
Yeah. Okay, the other one? What's that? I think that's pollen. Okay. Come on, girls, out of the way. Okay, that's capped brood. What's that side? Let's see. That's capped brood. I don't see any eggs in that one. I gotta put. Okay. That's good. Yeah. It's hard to see. Well, there's some. Okay, we gotta get it on the next one. Or we're gonna be switching some hot stuff from there to there, you know. Okay. There's some brood in there. Well, okay, so we can do the split. I think there's enough for both sides. This one goes in. Huh?
Here?
Yep. Huh? I don't think so. I could be wrong. Okay. So. Let's put one of those tops on that, and we'll button them up. Oh, this one's full of honey. Yeah, let's put a super on, or a deep on. Not this one, not that one, not that one. We've got two, and we can take some honey and put it in. Huh? Yeah? Where's that lid? Okay. Okay, so the featherlight one, we'll put some honey in. Maybe take that off. We should lift that up and clean out the bottom. If you just tilt it back, I can clean it out. There's a ton of bees in there. All right, good enough. Okay, now put the top on. While I wait for Jeff to get the screwdriver to take the hive entrances off, we really thought we only had 2 hives. And it looks like we have 3, but we haven't gotten into that one yet. But there are bees coming in and out, so maybe they're just building up slowly. The first hive here that is just full of bees, I noticed yesterday when I was cutting the grass that they looked like they were practice swarming. And we have just not been able to get out here because it's been cold, it's been wet, it's been windy. So this is the first time this year that we've gotten into them to actually go do a deep dive. And we'll see if we get any honey this year, because last year we didn't get hardly any honey. So what we're doing is splitting the hive. So what we're doing is we're checking to make sure there's eggs, there's brood, there's food, and there's worker bees. And I'm not worried about where the queen is because she's in one of those boxes. But if they have enough resources, they can make a new queen, which is what I'm hoping they do. We'll see, and I'll keep you updated. So what Jeff's doing is he's taking off that green entrance reducer because we don't have any more brood chambers, or deeps is what they call them. So we have to work everything around and it'll be fine. And they haven't used theirs either. Not a little. Where's the smoker? Didn't even smoke them. Oh, there's a little bit of smoke. So I think if you could just lift this one back, and then I want to go in the top there. Watch your hands. I gotta get these out. Okay, just put it down and we'll put a honey super on there and be done. Yeah, that's good. There. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video and our adventures in beekeeping this year. I will check on those bees in about 30 days and see if they've made a queen. And if they haven't, I'll have to try and get a queen or make a bit more split with one that has some extra brood. They have to have eggs at a certain stage. And I think I got some in both, but I don't know for sure. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.